Hey Stephanie, great to have you in on Wednesday. So let's look here at your stroke first off. So first off, we're looking at breathing under the water was the first element we were really thinking about. So first off, you're not doing too bad a job there. We can see all the bubbles coming out. That's actually really, really quite good. Oh, holding the breath a little bit there. So you want to be really careful when you're in your regular training, not being filmed, that you focus on blowing out consistently. Think about how you breathe when you run. It should really be no different with your face down in the water. So second thing we were worried about or discussing was body roll. So looking at your body roll is actually really quite good from side to side, but you can see how it's a little bit rigid. So how it goes tick, tock, tick, tock. We want to have a little bit more fluid. So watch some video of a really fluid swimmer where you kind of see that nice roll from side to side. Also, your kick right there, you're really kicking hard. And I don't know if it's just because you're on the video, but you want to have a nice fluid kick, but you don't want to put out a ton of energy because it eats up a lot of oxygen. So relax the kick, little bit more flow on side to side motion, and keep working on just nice, easy exhalation. Also, try not to have to turn your head so much as you come out of the water. Try to keep one goggle in the water so you're not turning your head all the way looking to the ceiling. Otherwise, great, great job, and look forward to seeing you at the end of next month.